Today in this video we will see why some of the applications such as Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, why some of these social media applications are hidden in your iPhone. You know for sure that you had installed these applications in your iPhone, but you are not able to see this WhatsApp, Facebook or Messenger, YouTube applications in your iPhone. Now the reason for this might be because you have enabled screen time option in your iPhone and you have not allowed applications above 4+ years to run in your iPhone. So to make sure, you will go to settings, screen time, content and privacy restrictions. Go to content restriction. Now you have to enter the passcode. Then you will go to apps. Now if you see right here, I have not allowed applications above 4+ years to run in my iPhone. So you should select this option, allow all apps. Now if I do that one, and if I go here, now I can see Facebook, I can see Messenger, I can see YouTube, WhatsApp, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.